Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our Walmart beauty box, and this is for the fall season 2022. Now for those of you who are not familiar with this beauty box right here, trust me, it's a gem and it's very inexpensive. It is $6.95 per quarter. Okay, how about that? So if you would like to see what came inside of our fall Walmart beauty box, keep watching. Okay, so when we open it up, there is quite a few pamphlets on the inside and sample products. Now that's what the Walmart beauty box is all about. Getting you familiar with sample items, okay? Or making sure that you're familiar with some new beauty brands, some old school stuff, but to send you a sample of it to see if you would like it. Now, there are times, actually, most times, you get at least one or two full-size products, okay? So let's jump in and see how many we got this month. So I opened up our box, and the first thing I have is their version of a description card, and it says this is the fall haul, and it says, hello gorgeous, it's time to spice up your self-care routine with our autumn ready picks, fall under $20 each. Okay, now that is for the full-size product, okay? $20 each. That's pretty good, okay? Now, the first item that I have is, I love these, okay? It's by the company Hemps. And this is the Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer, okay? Now, this one is a 2.2 fluid ounce size, but the full size is 17 fluid ounces. Okay, and this one has a 12-month shelf life, and it says hydrate and refresh. If you were to purchase this in a full size, it would be $19.48. They barely squeezed that one under $20. Now, I always stick these in my purse, small or travel size of the lotions, okay? So you never know. Oh, this smells nice. This, whew, okay. This really does smell nice. Okay, and it feels nice. And it absorbs into the skin very quickly and easily. Okay, so that's the first item that we received. Okay, then the second one says wow, talking about a full-size product. This one is by the company Luna Magic, and this is the Beauty with a Vibe lashes. Look at that, 2 pair inside, and this is in Happy X is what it's called, and this is made with 100% synthetic fibers to add volume and dimension to your eyes. Bring on the drama. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Okay, and it says the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $7.62. Now, y'all know I don't wear well, that's not true. I wear magnetic lashes from time to time. Not very often. It would have to be a super duper out of this world event for me to do that, okay? And it says hashtag for the girl who walks away with confidence despite everything, okay? And it says it's just the lashes. The glue is not included inside, okay? So this is what the front of the packaging looks like, and this is what the back of the packaging looks like, okay? Now, this item right here more than paid for the price of the box. Okay, I told you the box is under $7, and this item was $7.62. Not bad, right? Okay, then the next item that we received, okay, I think we've probably gotten one of these in every box over the last year. This is the Liquid IV Hydration Energy Multiplier. Now, this flavor is yuzu pineapple, okay? And it says CTT, which is cellular transport technology, is what this is powered by, okay? And it says that it is an energy drink. And it says get hydrated faster and more efficiently than drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. Now, they come in a 6-pack, and the 6-pack is $9.98, okay? So that's the next item, and all you do is add it to a 16-ounce bottle of water, bottle or glass. Preferably a reusable bottle, y'all, okay? I'm just saying. All right, now according to this one, it says 1 stick equals 1 serving, and it has 45 calories, okay? So that's the next item. Then we have a sample of the Ambi Even and Clear Daily Facial Moisturizer with an SPF of 30, okay? And it says this is a hydrating formula with no white residue. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, and of course with that broadband spectrum of 30, okay? This sample size is a 0.17 ounces, but the full size comes in a 5.5 fluid ounce, and it is $14.47. It says, give your skin the love it deserves. Hyaluronic acid, aloe, and cucumber extracts help moisturize without clogging pores. Apply before sun exposure for protection and a natural glow. Okay? My mother-in-law has been swearing by Ambi since I can remember. I don't think I've ever known her to not wear it. Okay? Now, moving right along, there is another sample item that is in here, and it's by Suave. Okay, and it is the shampoo and conditioner, and it says up the volume, sulfate-free shampoo and enriched with amino acid complex. Now it says that this one this is up the volume for hair you'll love. Now this was just a sample that they threw in, okay? So there's no information about this particular item, okay? It says, don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love, okay? However, I will be passing this along because y'all know where my hair care products come from. Okay, one more item. Another, well, I don't know any other way this could be other than full size. and it's this beautiful headband right here by HERITAGE. And this is HERITAGE by Mindy McKnight Hair Accessories. It says it is one of many products, but this is the headband, and her accessories run from $3.88 to $5.88. It says keep your hair happy and your style on point with gorgeous accessories made for all hair types. Okay, so not bad. This is called the sweater headband. Okay, you see that? And yes, it does feel like a sweater. However, it does have a very nice, I want to say that's a hard plastic that's wrapped in probably polyester, I would think. Okay, yes, and it's in the shade slate blue. Okay, not bad, right? This is not bad for $7. Actually $6.95. Okay, so we received items that range from $3 right on up to squeaking in barely under $20 at $19.98. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. If you would like to find out where to get the Walmart Beauty Box, I will leave a link down below. Okay, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we open the contents of the Fall Walmart Beauty Box. Okay, so these are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price should you purchase full sizes. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.